Hello everybody, welcome back to Amic Art. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw different forms of hyperrealistic eyes. As you probably already seen from my previous video, I actually just learned hyperrealism a couple of months ago. In this video, I drew a dragon eye with somebody trapped inside, and also the demon eye from the Supernatural video if you're actually a fan of the Supernatural TV show. Then I actually drew a regular human eye, but you want to stick to the end of this video to see how I brought the human eye to life. Don't go away.
Get paid, little shorty, get paid. 100,000 in the safe, couple thousand in
The tools I used in this drawing was a blending stump, a HB pencil, 2B pencil, 4B pencil, the mono eraser, and the kneaded eraser. Alright guys, let's draw.
You're younger and smarter, not questionable. I'm dirty and lazy, that is all I know. I long for a savior, for a western wind. I'm thinking you'll be the one. It's time now, let's begin. Time now, let's begin. Time now, let's begin. Last in the game, in a wasteland we lie up. Wait for a change, and the feeling now is so strong. Stars are aligned, there's no way to fight this. There's a right time for everything starting now. I'm feeling a change in the rhythm. So I like it, I like it. I'm feeling a change in the rhythm. So I like it, I like it. I wish you knew how much you do for me. It is only you. You know you're my savior and my western wind.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you made it this far, Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification bells up, and of course smash that like button for this video and drop down in the comments and tell me what your favorite eye drawing was, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.